Focus on the right channel to optimize online customer engagement. Establishing the right channel for your business to excel in online customer engagement involves having the right message at the right time for each customer segment. Customers like to engage in different ways. Some prefer social media channels like Facebook while others prefer email or Reddit. Test your market and determine what will work best for your customers. Each channel is different for how people interact. For example, Pinterest is all about images and Twitter is all about 1 or 2 line sentence posts. Check out these suggestions. They've been known to work very well. 1. Become the authority figure for your products and services in your business. Bring your expertise out in the open so that your customers can clearly see you are the expert for your services and products. Offer free advice through your website or other company sites. In today's market, the only way you can establish that you are an authority figure is to offer something of value to your customers. This type of engagement increases your authority, while interaction with no value will lower your authority image. 2. Supporting a customer community is a good way to establish a group of buyers, but the best way for you actually engage your customers online is to have open channels that flow back to your business or main site. Provide access to product designers, your shipping managers, your production team, etc., all of which can offer insight into the how and why of the way things work. This can be done without giving away trade secrets. Providing a behind-the-scenes of who they are and how they work is enough. This is generally deeply engaging for your customers. Simply put, you can provide a behind-the-scenes video that walks customers through the steps. This type of engagement increases customer loyalty. 3. If you can offer your customers some type of game-like experience, this can be a real hit. Visitors love to compete and they like to have a unique shopping experience. So create a contest that has a number of different milestones so the customer sticks with it. Offer a draw for something free weekly. There are many different consumer-type games and contests that you can offer. Maybe a quiz about what your special deal was last quarter. Whatever you come up with, make sure it fits your customer profile. This is an excellent method to engage your customers. The majority of customers like something that breaks them out of the routine shopping experience and grabs their interest. There you have it, 3 excellent methods that you can use to engage your customers online in a more effective manner. Those companies who are successful at engaging their customers excel in their markets. You too can be one of them. Take a moment to have a look at the description of this video for more private business research.